How's it going, everybody? Troy Casey here, coming to talk to you about the new blends that we have available coming up next month. We've got 4 awesome sour blends that I want to talk to you about right now. First up, we've got Creative License number 8. This is the dry hopped peach beer, dry hopped with a blend of New Zealand hops to really make the peach flavors pop with those dry hops and the citrus dry hops from those New Zealand hops. Next up, we've got Crusher with Chardonnay grapes. This is our collab with Side project, but using Chardonnay grapes. Following that, we've got a fresh blend of Funky Blender with a really cool new label design. And then last but not least, one of our taproom favorites, we've got Blackberry Rosé. All right, first up, we've got Creative License number 8. So again, this is a blend of different farmhouse beers, dry hopped with a blend of New Zealand hops. We love to dry hop with New Zealand hops like Motueka, Nelson, or Wawaka, just because of the citrus and the intense characters that we get. Pairs really well with the citrusy grape peach notes that we get from these organic Palisade peaches. Love the foam stability. The dry hops always help with the foam stability a little bit. On the nose, we get a little bit more hops than we do peaches, which is what we're looking for when this beer is fresh. As this beer ages, the dry hops fade a little bit, but the peaches pop. But for now, when this beer is fresh, which is when I suggest you drink it, it does really, really nice with the hoppy notes in there. Medium acidity, as is often the case, very well integrated with the hops and the peaches. Just really great body and floral characteristics. This is a really fun blend. Next up, we've got Crusher. This is our collab with Side Project using Chardonnay grapes. These grapes came to us from Palisade. Boom. Lighter on the carbonation, really allowing for the white grapes to pop. Medium acidity, there's definitely some oak characteristic that came in there from the base beer, but overall just a really nice, complex, medium carbonation, easy drinking, but still complex beer. It's really good. Next up, we've got Funky Blender. This is one of our base farmhouse beers. We revamped the label. On the nose, great esters, some red apple, just rich and complex. Again, medium to low acidity probably in this one. 100% oak fermented, oak aged. Just a great everyday drinker. It's not often we do these unfruited base beers, but when we do, they're always really fun to grab a couple and see how they age. Last but not least, we've got Blackberry Rosé. So these are like I said, one of our favorite beers here in the tap room. This is made with second use blackberries on a blend of different farmhouse beers. Oh, look at that creamy foam. You get the hint of the color of the blackberries, nice foam. You can still smell the blackberries from here. So these are our Colorado blackberries that we get from Hotchkiss. Even still, with such light usage of the blackberries, there's still a lot of body that we get from those unfermentable sugar alcohols. So this is a great bang for your buck if you're looking for a good fruit beer, but on that lower price point, this is a really nice one. You get a lot of the aromas from the base beer that we use, but again, plenty of blackberries. You won't be missing blackberries. They're gonna be there for sure. So this is, I'm pumped on all of these. So cheers, everybody. Thank you.